Hello everybody, this is Peter. It's Sunday the 19th of July at about 3:35, and ahead of you, you can see two modes of transport. Just in front of me is the Grand Union Canal, and above it is a motorway. I expect it's very easy for you to work out which one, but to save you racking your brains, I'll tell you it's the M25, and obviously this is a point a few miles north of Watford, near Kings Langley, where the M25 crosses the Grand Union Canal. Now, the reason I'm filming this is because I always like to give a bit of cinematography, to use a long word, to my discourses as I explore the world, really. Thank you, dear viewer, for watching. You might be watching because of one of my playlists: trains, HS2, churches, Folkestone, canal, river, that sort of thing. Or perhaps, dare I venture an idea, maybe even my sense of humour or a way that I often can't remember how to finish. Anyway, here we are underneath the M25, which is a good place to be if it's pouring with rain or snow or something like that, but otherwise it's not particularly wonderful. There are some it's been restructured or rebuilt. There's a train that is especially for my train fans, of which there are a few. That's a train going north from Harrow, Wealdstone, I think, through Watford, that sort of way, not really sure. But anyway, this is a marvellous engineering construct which 2 or 3 years ago was in a state of disrepair, or malrepair to be more accurate, and the things holding it up were in serious danger of not doing their job properly or deteriorating beyond their useful life expectancy. So what they did was they put a lot of scaffolding, tons and tons of it, thousands and thousands of poles under various bits, and got up there and sorted it out with various drills and things like that. But the scaffolding was a wonderful sight, and I think possibly on an earlier video there are examples of the scaffolding. Anyway, I don't want to just talk about that. As we exit the northwest side of the M25, suddenly we're out of the M25 circle, which defines, mostly, obviously, London, and quite a bit of green belt outside it. What I want to talk about, I'll venture in the next video, but while I'm here, we'll have one final look at the M25, and you can hear a sort of rumbling noise. I think that's obviously the traffic as it goes past. These are enormous piers holding it up, obviously far bigger than, as far as I can see, than the HS2 piers, and less attractive, more kind of brutalist, to use an architectural word. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. There, wow, over there is what Donald Trump would call a windmill, or what we would call a wind turbine, and it's not turning. Anyway, and there's some ducks and some geese. You know, funny thing is, whenever I stop, there's another train. Whenever I let's go through that way and that way. Whenever I stop to observe something, lots of other things pop up. I'm lucky, I'm serendipitous. Anyway, it's enough of this. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.